Rainforest Cages La Paz, a large home for small birds like the budgerigar, cockatiel, conure and finch as a guide. An elegant dome-top aviary cage with 2 large access doors to the front and smaller access doors to the side for nest boxes as required, with smaller bar spacing and so ideal for smaller birds. A spacious cage with litter grill and easy pull-out tray. There are internal food and water bowls. A roomy home for small to medium-sized birds. The Rainforest Cages La Paz, a large indoor aviary cage ideal for your smaller pet birds.